I have a 4-wire connection to my Infinity SYSTXCCUID01-B thermostat. I need to replace, would like a Wi-Fi that is just plug-and-play compatible. Does Carrier make such a thing?
Hello. My name is. I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. Yes, the SYSTXCCUID01 is a communicating thermostat and is also Wi-Fi by Carrier, designed to work with your Infinity system. See link below, http://www.bonanza.com/listing/carrier Infinity SYSTXCCUID01 Wi-Fi bundle includes wireless router /224267760 could equals 68416461421 and gpkwd equals and goog_pla equals 1 and gclid equals kwoivsk kurshu ket bp _csjog 3 ub8 kmk sf5 vlwnstldpw _zb8 Fulmo 2 Jo CSV3 W _WCB.
Holy cow. $700. Is there a cheaper alternative to that? I don't need any additional networking equipment as I have several wireless routers to choose from that run public and private networks in my location.
You can Google that number to find best price. Here is an example of just the thermostat without the router for $550, http://www.ebay.com/in/carrier Infinity Wi-Fi thermostat /2914346719774 pt equals LH_default domain _0 and hash equals item 43-2F66. The regular Infinity thermostats run about $500 even in the non-Wi-Fi models.
Understand. But is there not another model that is a plug-and-play replacement for what I have that would be less? Even if it does have Wi-Fi. Also, do you think a fairly technical person, I'm in IT and very familiar with tech manuals and device programming, can do the installation and setup of this thermostat? Or any other that would be a suitable replacement?
The problem you have is that your current setup is using the Infinity communicating system. If you are willing to sacrifice the technology of the Infinity system, you may be able to use a less complicated and less expensive thermostat by doing away with the Infinity control. If you can give me model on indoor and outdoor units, I will take a look if this is something you want to pursue.
Thanks Tim for your help. I have been struggling with this question and situation for 2 season changes now. I will probably long-term use the touchscreen model you first recommended. Right now, I just jerry-rigged something so that I could actuate the onboard switches to change from heat to cool since those are the flimsy buttons that are broken. You confirmed that the 4-wire is communications to the current thermostat. As I thought, which would make changing over to a Nest or an Ecobee a PETA. Only thing I need to know now is a question from above. Do you think a fairly technical person, I'm in IT and very familiar with tech manuals and device programming, can do the installation and setup of this thermostat? Or any other that would be a suitable replacement?
Absolutely. Most of them come with manuals that are relatively easy to follow as long as you have some technical ability, which you have shown you do. Also, although some manufacturers want to keep their tech literature somewhat secret, with the internet highway at our fingertips, you can always get assistance if you have a question come up. JustAnswer/Pearl has a few dozen techs and we are always willing to help. None of us know everything, but together we can usually solve most situations. Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings now. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.